this event is our Fall Fun Festival, which we hope to make an annual event. It's an opportunity for us to celebrate with our Lynn neighbors, our scholars, and our families, and come together, and also illuminate some of the really great things that are happening in Lynn. We have the Fire Prevention Committee here, we have the Highlands Association here, we have teachers, we have staff members, we have kids, and we want to come together to share some of our plans for expansion. We do hope to expand in the future, and also give families an opportunity, both our KIPP families and our non-KIPP families, to come together and just celebrate fall education, and also find ways to advocate for educational issues, regardless whether you're at a KIPP school or not at a KIPP school.
I support KIPP and everything they do. My children have come to KIPP, and anything they do, I'm just there for them.
We hope that this is the first of many fall festivals, and so each year we hope to add more community partnerships, more community tables, so that folks can learn not just about what we're doing here at KIPP, but that what all the great organizations in Lynn are doing to support and grow our community. Just celebrating the joy of being together and meeting new people and learning about organizations you may not have been exposed to before you got here is one of our main goals, and I think it's one that we've come together to do today quite well.
Seeing the neighbors, seeing people that I've seen throughout the years in school, it's wonderful getting together with old friends and other parents, and just the community as a whole.
I'm just glad so many people are here. We were worried it was going to be a cold day. I'm happy people are having a good time, and it's just nice to feel like we're kind of part of the community today.
Events like these are wonderful. It brings the community together. It shows us people, and we had conversations while we waited for either face painting and things like that. It was just wonderful meeting up with new people. I actually exchanged a couple of phone numbers.
I would love to see this as much as we can. We're lucky that we have such a great facility, and we should be using it. It belongs to the community, so we need to figure out ways to get as many people up here and enjoying this place and this spot in the Highlands as much as we can.
We are so excited. There's so many smiling kids. We see kids in face paint. We see kids with cotton candy. We see lots of people in KIPP hats. We are just so happy that people have come out on this beautiful Saturday to enjoy time with us. We see so many families here, and we're really excited to continue to celebrate this way every fall moving on.